Hi, this is Radhe, and in this video we'll be creating a simple NodeJs server and then connecting with MongoDB. So let's start it by creating an npm project. So npm init. So we'll keep all the values default. So for this we'll require two dependencies. The first is express. So express to create the server and mongoose to connect it with MongoDB. So let's wait. Now we'll create our main file, that is index.js. that is the entry point of a project. So okay, here are two dependencies, express and mongoose. So now let's create the server. So express, and let's import our dependency express here. Okay, now we'll create another variable that will be app, and that will call the express. Yes, that's great. And now we'll use it on a port 3000 and just a simple arrow function, and then we'll log that server running. Okay, so let's check this. So node index.js. okay, it's working, server running. Now we'll add a start script here. So start, and we'll just write it node index.js. okay, so now what we can do is we can just do npm start, and it technically does the same thing. Okay, so now to connect with MongoDB, we have to create an account. So once you create an account, so we'll get this kind of a dashboard. So on top left corner you can find project. So we'll create a project here. So let's say we create a simple node connection, maybe. Yeah, okay, let's create a project. So once we configure here, so okay, let's create a deployment here. Let's go. So once we configure here, we'll get a string, final string, so that is used for connection. So let's create. Okay, so username I'll just keep simple, but make sure you do not share with these things with anyone. So let's create a user. I've put it Radhe, and let's add. Okay, it's already added the current IP address. So let's finish. Okay, now when you click connect, click on the drivers here, and then you will get a string over here. Okay, so this is a connection string. So this is what we actually need. So coming back to our VS Code, so let's create a file over here that says database, because it's a good practice to create we just directly do not create a JS file. So in database we create connection.js. okay, so now just like we did in index.js, we imported our express. So similarly we'll do it here, but for the mongoose. So const mongoose is equal to same, it's require mongoose. Perfect. Now we have a method for connection, that is mongoose dot connect, and this takes a string. Okay, so that string is what we got from here. So I'll just copy it over here and then paste. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll create a then catch block over here. Yeah, let's create this. So if the connection is successful, then we will log connection success. Okay, or else it will log the error. But here in the string, you see we have to replace this thing with the password. So it was same, so I'll just replace it with the same as the username we had put, and this remaining everything the same. Let's restart the server again. So I'll do npm start. Okay, it's not printing. Okay, fine. We have to import it on our main file, so I'll just do require and the path of the file. Yes, exactly. Now it's connected with the main file, so again npm start. Let's wait for it to create a connection. Yes, connection success. This is how you can easily connect a Node.js server with the MongoDB. Thank you.